morning to all of you. Today we are here to prove the theorem that vertically opposite angles are equal. So here we can see that AB and CD are two lines intersecting at the point O. We have to prove that angle AOB is equal to angle BOC and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Here we have to prove that angle 1 is angle 2 is equal to 180 degree and angle 2 is angle 3 is equal to 180 and by linear method. So when we substitute these values, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. We will cut both the angles too. Then we get angle 1 plus angle is equal to angle 3. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to angle DOC. That was what we had to prove. Similarly, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4 by linear method. Therefore, when we cut both the angles 3, we get angle 2 is equal to angle 4, which is basically angle AOD plus angle BOC. Hence, proof.